This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play The Sims 4 on your computer. First, you'll need to download the game client, either the EA app or Origin, from Electronic Arts' official website. Make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements, which typically include at least 4 GB of RAM and a 2 GHz processor. Once downloaded, install the base game and any additional content you wish to enjoy. This initial setup is crucial for a seamless gaming experience. Now that the game is installed, it's time to create your Sims. Head into Create a Sim, where you can customize every detail, from their personality traits and aspirations to their physical appearance. You have hundreds of options to make them truly unique. After creating your Sims, you'll need to find them a home. You can build one from scratch, use a pre-made lot, or download one from the gallery, placing it in any of the diverse worlds available. Once your Sims are settled, the real fun begins. You'll need to manage their 8 essential needs, such as hunger, bladder, and social interaction, to keep them happy and healthy. Direct them to eat, sleep, work, and socialize. As they engage with the world, they'll develop skills like cooking or painting, build relationships with other Sims, and advance in their chosen careers. There are dozens of skills to master and many career paths to explore. To truly enhance your Sims experience, explore the in-game gallery. Here, you can share your own creations or download thousands of unique Sims, lots, and rooms from the community. Consider adding expansion packs, game packs, or stuff packs to introduce new gameplay mechanics, worlds, and items. For even more customization, many players enjoy using custom content and mods, which offer nearly limitless possibilities for personalizing your game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.